Welcome to Buckeye Green Dry Cleaners, the Dayton area's only certified green dry cleaning service. You can use our drop-and-go laundry bags for faster service so you don't have to wait. From dry cleaning and shirt laundry to comforters and leather, Buckeye Green Dry Cleaners is your best quality, lowest price option. Every customer with a qualifying order gets to spin our Buckeye wheel where you can win up to $25 in discounts. This lucky spinner just got $5 off. We barcode each item as it comes in so your order can be tracked through the entire process using our automated system. No lost garments here. All checked in, now it's off to the sorting bins where the wet cleaning is separated from the dry cleaning. Keep an eye on that nice blue shirt. Most dry cleaners use a petrochemical detergent, but ours is an eco-friendly, silicone-based solution from Green Earth. Safe and gentle for any dry clean-only fabric. The cooling water is recovered for reuse in our wet cleaning machines, while solid contaminants from the dry cleaning process are filtered out to this tank. Fresh from the dry cleaning machine, your clothes are put through this steam tunnel, which removes most wrinkles after dry cleaning. Multi-directional steam jets gently spray the garment as it passes through, and they usually need no further finishing. But for those delicates or heavier fabrics that might need a little more attention, a quick press from a skilled hand sharpens them right up. While our dry cleaned items are being finished, let's check in on our blue shirt from earlier. It's headed for our professional wet cleaning service. Wet cleaning is a lot like doing laundry at home using a washer and dryer, with just a few differences. Before going into the machine, shirts are bundled into logs using weighted ropes to keep them moving to the bottom of the washer barrel. This provides the best cleaning action between the detergent, fabric, and water. Our computer-controlled wet cleaning machines are perfectly set to get everything spotless. And in a short while, they're ready to come out. The shirt logs are separated, then everything is off to tumble dry at the perfect temperature. After the dryer, our washables are taken to be pressed. Cuffs and collar nice and smooth, please. Next, we'll get the rest wrinkle-free with a thorough steam treatment on the shirt machine. In a moment, we're all done, and our shirt is ready to rejoin the rest of the order. But what about our pinstriped slacks? We can't have those wrinkled for that big meeting. Just like the shirt steamer, the pants are steamed to remove wrinkles, and then they get a careful hand press for that sharp crease. As each item is finished, it is scanned into the system and placed on the carousel, where the barcodes are read to automatically collate the orders for bagging. Bagged and labeled, our order is ready for pickup. Don't worry, we'll text you. To learn more about our eco-friendly services, visit our website, buckeyedry.com. Thanks for stopping by Buckeye Green Dry Cleaners. We appreciate your business. See you next time!